This is 2697 Wolf Rapids in Lochsa Falls, Meridian. We're just off 10 Mile and McMillan here. So beautiful corner lot, big house. We're gonna walk in here, big 3-car garage. This house is enormous. It's the only 3-story house that I've ever been in. So I think that speaks for itself. So we'll just highlight the exterior of the home here. Huge wraparound veranda style patio area so it's all covered, all lit, all the way around the house. So a big play set, really big yard. Again, because of that corner lot. Really well maintained, fully fenced all the way around. Walk in. Nice big opening to an office den area with its own access to the veranda. Main living area. Into the kitchen and the dining area. There will be a fridge here. So stainless steel, gas range, all the amenities, pretty nice. We'll cover everything on the main floor here. Half bath there, and then across the hall, the master bedroom again. So that's 5 doors out to the patio. Really good sized walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Dual vanities. Walk-in shower with water right out of the ceiling. So you have the big laundry area with access to the oversized 3-car garage. Walk up the stairs here. Huge bonus area. It's got like a nook over here, a big area here. So the first bedroom, and this bedroom has its own bathroom. That's the 3rd bathroom, or here's the 3rd bathroom. Nice tile countertops, tile floors. Bedroom, not quite a walk-in closet. Here's the 3rd bedroom on this level with a really big walk-in closet. Nice view. Hall closet there. That pretty much does it for floor 2. We'll go up to the 3rd floor. So this technically qualifies as a bedroom because it does have a closet, but a lot of space here. So, and it's kind of cool because the house is taller than all the other ones in the neighborhood. You can't really tell here, but we'll open these blinds. I mean, the view from this room alone, see the mountains and everything. A little smoky today, but that's pretty cool. And a bathroom here as well. That pretty much does it for 2697 Wolf Rapids. Visit us at www.parkplaceid.com to apply.